Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to start up Amazon KDP self-publishing to earn part-time income for stay-at-home moms or dad, and also for young people that want to build their stream of incomes. Amazon KDP is a perfect option because it gives you time to live a fulfilling life. So we'll start by opening the page. Because I'm already I will sign in, but before you can access the page, you have to sign up. I'll sign in and show you all you need to build your page. Okay, I'm inside the page now. So this is how the page looks like once you created your page, you have set it up. This is how it looks. So there are several options. If you want to create a page, you hit the create a new title or series here. In here, you can see the 4 options. What would you like to create? So you have to pick an option. Either Kindle ebook, paperback, better hardcover, or series page. You just hit create ebook or any content you want to create here and start filling up what you need to do. So let's go back since we have no book to put in yet. So this is the first step. Create your page. You also need to get a tax. Your tax information is necessary. If you don't have it, they'll collect I think it's 50 or 60% of your income. And the fee they are paying you is quite small. So I would advise you, if you want to do this, make sure you fill in your tax information. So let's go back. So if you want to see, I can show you a preview of how it looks. So I'll just put in, so if you've created your content, it takes about 3 to 5 days, sometimes a week, for it to be approved or published. So this content is already published. So I'll just say I need 10 copies. Then you actually have to pick a marketplace. There are several marketplaces, as you can see, but I'll pick USA, which is amazon.com. Then I hit submit order. So this is it. So we'll just open it for you to see. This is how the book looks like on the Amazon page. This is it. You have to write your description, as you can see. You can't fill any space. You can't leave any space empty, sorry. You have to fill all the blank spaces when you are filling up your what you need to do. So this is the content. If you are interested in buying the content and seeing it live, I'll drop the link below. So to actually create a book, you have to go to several sites. And first of all, we are going to Creative Fabrica. That is one site that I love. But of recent, I've not been using it. That's why you will see. This is not it. I don't know what is going on. Okay, this is it actually. This is a page. You can actually pick how to design a Amazon KDP book cover. You see, they have I think this is an ebook for you to read. But I actually have an ebook you can also get. But this is a nice one that you can also read to help yourself. But if you want to get fonts or graphics, let me say ABC graphics, they are all here, even numbers. You can get them here. I don't think I'm in the English speaking page. Let me check something. Okay, let's go to, I don't think that is a real page because I don't know what is going on. Because the page is filled with a lot of informations, a lot of content. Okay, let's go back. Let's try this. I don't know why. Okay, let me remove this. Yeah, Creative Fabrica. I think maybe I'm hitting. Yes, this is it. So this is it. So you can see there are lots of things you can use: fonts, patterns, bundles, illustrations, anything you need. They are all here. And you trust me, you will enjoy it. Even as a beginner, I used it and it has been really helpful in my designs, and it just makes you very creative. See people selling a whole bundle you can even use to create designs, even on clothes, anything. It's fun to just get nice things like this and just be creative. Go ham. Let me say ABC graphics so that you will see. Let me see. Let me just pick one. As you can see, you can just pick and just start your design. Just $1.40, which is wonderful. But if I believe when you are new as a starter, you get a free download, which is wonderful also. So I'll put the link of this Creative Fabrica below, so you can start here and trust me, you enjoy it. Then the next page I'm going to show you is Canva. This is my go-to, this is my bestie, this is my wonder, this is my secret my secret portion. So you can use this to create anything. This is just a hardcover book I created in my spare time. But you can go ham, you can create anything you want with Canva. They have free graphics you can use. You can also get graphics from Creative Fabrica and create something beautiful here. Even they have fonts. You can have very fancy fonts from Creative Fabrica. Just have fun. Also, we are going to I love PDF, because that is actually a place where after you are done creating your content, to organize your PDF, merge, split, compress, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel. As in, this platform is magic. No one can tell me otherwise. Once you have this platform, you have everything you need. You can even add watermark into a PDF so that you can just show that yes, this is my property and no one should claim it. That is how wonderful this PDF platform is. Just I love PDF, and you should try it. If you've enjoyed this content, this brief self-publishing content, please like, follow, hit the notification button, because we are going to go deep into this self-publishing business so that you can learn more and also build an empire with it, because a drop of water is better than nothing. So if you enjoy my content, follow, like, and share to others. I'm going to be publishing or posting more content, and stay tuned.